At Kraftsman Trailers, we proudly manufacture American-made trailers built for your success with exceptional care and premium parts. Through our manufacturer-to-customer buying experience, Kraftsman offers an extensive catalog of high-quality trailers designed to serve the hauling needs of our customers in a variety of industries. Every part we install on a Kraftsman trailer is held to the highest standards of excellence. That's why we are proud to use Dexter axles and running gear. For over 60 years, Dexter has manufactured durable axles and trailer running gear for the toughest applications and delivered the highest quality. We believe details and quality matter on every component under your trailer. Dexter's state-of-the-art engineering, quality, and testing processes align with our mission of constructing each Kraftsman trailer with the continued care and service that has gone into our trailers since the beginning. Offering outstanding trailers at manufacturer direct prices, coupled with unsurpassed customer service, we build the majority of our trailers to order with robust Dexter axles, suspension, and electric brakes. Kraftsman trailers ride on Dexter to provide you with the highest quality trailer for the long haul.